Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
With our lifestyle nowadays, it's almost next to impossible to keep a check on our health. And dark circles are something we struggle with on a daily basis. While using a good under eye cream can help you fight them, but in today's POPxo Makeup Masterclass, I'm going to teach you how to become a pro at hiding those dark circles using makeup. So I'm going to start by gently applying my under eye cream using my ring finger. So next I'm going to use my peach color corrector to neutralize the color. So next I'm going to use a concealer which is of the similar shade as my skin color. Now using a lighter shade concealer, I'm going to use it to brighten the under eyes. Now using a baking powder, I'm going to bake my under eye. So once you let the powder set for a while, take a clean brush and remove the excess. Now using the same concealer that I used before, I'm going to hide any dark spots or pigmentation on my face. Now on a regular day, I would just throw in some lipstick and put some mascara and I'll be good to go. So I'm going to do that. Now this is what I would usually do on a daily basis to look fresh, presentable and awake. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos, subscribe to POPxo Daily.